Hello, good morning. Welcome back again to Fanisi Online IGCSE Mathematics videos. In this lesson, we're going to look at algebraic expressions. We're going to look at how we collect the like terms and also how we expand single brackets, and also a bit about the meaning of the word factorization. Now, in algebra, we have numbers being written together with letters. For example, if I could have the expression x plus 3 plus 2x minus 5. In this expression, we got x and some numbers together. To simplify this, it will be important that we collect the like terms. In this case, we can see the x's are what we describe as like terms, and if we put the x's together, we would end up with x plus 2x giving us 3x. Put the numbers together, 3 minus 5 would give us minus 2. So we have simplified this long expression by collecting the like terms, the x's and the numbers. Okay? There's a situation where you could find a mixture of numbers like x squared plus maybe 3x minus 2 plus y minus x. In this expression, we got x squared, we got x, and we got y in the number. The like terms in this case, this x squared is not like to x alone. We can't put them together. So it's standing alone. There's no other x squared. So the x says 3x minus 2x. 3x minus x giving you 2x. So by putting the x's together, we get a 2x. 3 minus 1x, 3x minus 1x, 2x. The minus 2 remains alone, and this expression now becomes that particular short example. There could also be expressions where you do have brackets involved, and to simplify them, sometimes you might end up needing to open those brackets. If I do have an expression like 2 into x minus 3 plus 4x, in such a situation, I would first of all open this bracket. How do you open the brackets? The number outside, so the situation, you open the brackets by multiplying 2 with x and 2 with 3. Your result would now be 2x minus 6 plus 4x. Collecting the x's together, you end up with 6x minus 6. So we can collect like terms when we are simplifying algebraic expressions. The things which are together, we put together. Those which are not together, we leave apart. For example, we know x squared is different from x. One last example. We've got 5y squared minus 7y plus y squared minus 4 plus 3. In such an example, I have got y squared, 5y squared, and another y squared. If we put the y squareds together, we end up with 6y squared. Please note that y squared is different from y. The y remains just minus 7y there. Then the numbers minus 4 and positive 3 can be put together to give us minus 1. So collecting like terms is fairly straightforward. If you was given a situation where you have to expand brackets, for example, I got 3x with x plus 4 minus 2x. This example, expanding the brackets, the 3x will multiply the x and also the 4, giving us 3x squared plus 12x, because 3 times 4 is 12, but 12x, then minus 2x. Final answer will be 3x squared, and then 12x, we remove 2x from it, we get plus 10x. So this is how we collect like terms and expand brackets, particularly if they are single brackets. Always remember, the number outside multiplies the first term and then the next one. Very simple in terms of expanding of brackets. Now the opposite of expanding brackets is what we call factorization. When brackets have been expanded, we can do the opposite by what we call factorization, this word here. When you're factorizing an expression like 3x plus 6, what you do, you look for now a multiple of that is common in both parts, a number that can go into 3 and also into 6. In this case, 3 can go into 3x and also into 6. So if we write 3 out and then use brackets, we would ask ourselves, what do I multiply by 3 to get 3x? X. What do I multiply 3 with to get 6? Positive 2. So you get that 3x plus 6 can be factorized into 3 times x plus 2. Please note, if you open this bracket, you get 3x plus 6. Okay? Another example, 4y minus 12. What number can go into 4 and also to 12? The biggest number that can go into 4 and also 12 is the number 4 itself. Put it outside a bracket. Ask yourself, what do you multiply 4 with to get 4y? Y itself. What do you multiply 4 with to get minus 12? Minus 3. You have factorized this expression into two brackets. Okay? There are situations where at times there could be a power involved. For example, we have 4x, and then I'll talk of 2x squared minus 10x. So the situation, we have got to remove what's common. We notice 2 is common because 2 can go into 10, but also x is in both places. So here the best thing is to remove 2 and x also, not just 2 alone. What do you multiply 2x with to get 2x squared? X. What do you multiply 2x with to get minus 10x? Minus 5. So you have expanded, you have made sure that you took out what is common in both parts. This means you have given full factorization. If you had just said remove 2 alone, you would have remained with, what do you multiply 2x, get 2x squared, you would have had x squared, and then here you would have had, what you multiply 2 to get minus 10x, you would have remained with minus 5x. Now this answer will be described as incomplete. It's not a complete factorization because still there's a common part on both sides in the bracket, on both sides the x's. So until you remove that x out and get 2x, this is incomplete. But when the 2x is out, that's a complete factorization. Do the examples that follow below, and let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you.